Welcome to the future of solar energy management, where all your data across all sites converge in one comprehensive system. This future is happening right now. At SolarSpy, we're thrilled to showcase our latest project in collaboration with Energy One, a robust 16-megawatt site, now optimized by our cutting-edge AI technology. During the crucial commissioning phase, we deploy our PV Copilot to guarantee optimal performance of every component. Our platform offers a holistic view of entire portfolios, providing ongoing performance analytics and AI-driven diagnostics. We identify defects, anomalies, and energy losses in real time, providing the best repair recommendations. We equip our clients with precise forecasting tools and remote site control capabilities, enabling proactive management, especially during negative energy prices. Our system collects transparent data on the complete installation history, which is necessary in case of any claims, disputes, or complaints. What sets us apart is our integration of these services with thermal drone inspections and advanced AI analysis, all within a single unified platform. By empowering sites like these, SolarSpy ensures operational excellence from startup to peak performance. Discover how our innovative solutions can revolutionize your solar investment and harness its full potential. Book a completely free demo today and see the difference firsthand.